Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility, and today we're going to be unboxing the GoLift by ComfyGo Mobility, so stay tuned. When you receive your GoLift, it will most likely be shipped through either FedEx or UPS or one of those services. It wouldn't be shipped by freight normally. It'll come in a box like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab a knife and we're going to cut the tape that's holding the top of the box. You'll open the box, and then your lift should be in here just like that. Then what we're going to do to get the lift out of the box, we're just going to lift it up. You might need help with this or someone to hold the box down, but the lift weighs about 25 pounds, so it is doable by yourself. So here's the lift. I'm going to set this on the ground. And also inside the box, we have our storage container. And that is it. So I'll set this to the side. So in our storage container, there's a little zipper pouch. And in here, you will have your owner's manual, looks like this. And then you'll have your charger to charge the unit is in this box. So I'll show you the battery on the GoLift. I'm going to pick it up. And on the underside, this is your battery right here. This is your battery right here. It's the silver box. It's held in place by these two screws. If you want to remove the battery, you can unscrew these and then you can pop the battery out. I do recommend lifting the lift up a few inches to do that. So in order to turn on the lift, on the front side of the battery here, there's a switch, a little off-on switch. But you'll notice that the lift isn't actually hooked up yet. So in the front of the battery, there's a little charging port with a cover that we flip out of the way. And then there is a loose cable. It looks like this in the bottom. This is going to plug into the battery, right into that charging port. And now, when we flip on the power, you should see on your remote, it will light up. These two little arrows will light up to blue. And then if I set the lift on the ground, the lift will work. Now, in order to charge the unit, you can charge it like this. I do like to lift the lift up a few inches like that. That gives me easier access to the battery. But on the underside, that cable that we just plugged in will come out. And then the three-prong plug on the charger will go into the battery instead. And then you'll plug the other side into the wall, then that will charge your unit. I believe they say it gets about 250 lifts per charge. These are lithium batteries. And then once you're done charging it, you will just plug that back in, right into that port. Make sure your battery pack is turned on. There is an on-off switch. And when you see the blue lights on your remote, that means your unit is on. There we go. So you can see the unit is working again. And now we're going to mount this storage pouch. So to mount your storage pouch, I brought the lift all the way up so I don't have to bend over to do this. But you have three little snaps, and then you'll notice there's three snaps on one of the sides of the lift. It is only on one side, there is not snaps on this side. But basically you'll line these three up and then snap them in. There we go. And then your little storage pouch is mounted. This is a good place to keep your remote, or maybe keep your charger as well. Mainly the remote, because it will protect it. You do notice the remote is kind of free-flowing out here, so in order to protect it, I like to keep it in here. That's how you mount that. You don't need this, you can take it off as well. It's just the snaps. And then you have this Velcro as well that you can use to strap down whatever scooter or power chair you're using. It does look like you can remove that too. It looks like these screws if you don't want it on there, but that is how you add on the storage pouch. Once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the GoLift by ComfyGo Mobility. If you do have any other questions, be sure to check out our full review on this product. But if you have any questions or you want to purchase this unit, feel free to give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.